What's up guys, how you guys doing? Today I'm going to be showing you a fantastic property, one of the most exquisite units in Dubai Hills, Sidra I. Come with me. This is particularly a 4-bedroom type E3, but not just any 4-bedroom type E3. I will tell you and I have a little surprise for you. Come with me. Into the house over here, we have a maid's room with a built-in closet plus an attached washroom inside the maid's room. Come with me this side. We have beautiful light color kitchen counters and kitchen cabinets all over here, all across the, it's a part of the living room, but it's a separate open concept kitchen basically. Moving on here, you can easily space out your dining area over here, the living area over there, and probably a nice little TV on the wall. It's gonna look fabulous. This place has so much of space, it is crazy. It's an absolutely beautiful, stunning finish. This is one of the most unique units in the community. Why do I say this? It's because it has one guest room downstairs, which leads up straight into the front yard, plus it has an attached washroom as well. This is a plot of 7,234 square foot for a 4-bedroom type E3. This is one of the most rare units you will find in Dubai Hills in Sidra I. So, if you are interested in this property and if you really like it, the flat price for this is 7 million. My name is Ayush from Luxury Escapes. Do get in touch with me and I will be more than happy to show you around. Cheers.